Meaning of Girl Guide.
Girl Guide.
Girl Guide.
Girl Guide.
Girl Guide. Girl Guide refers to an organization that empowers girls and young women through various activities and programs, including camping, community service, leadership training, and skill building. The movement was founded in the United Kingdom in 1909 by Robert Baden-Powell and his sister Agnes Baden-Powell, and today, it is a global movement with millions of members in over 150 countries. The goal of Girl Guides is to help girls develop strong values, self-confidence, and leadership skills, while fostering a sense of social responsibility and community service. It provides a supportive and inclusive environment for girls to thrive and reach their full potential.